Hi guys, good evening. Welcome to another episode of Marcus Kitchen, a multi-cuisine YouTube channel. Today I am coming along with a brand new episode called Chicken Maryland. A continental item, something just like a crumb fried chicken. I'll show you what are the ingredients using for making chicken Maryland. For making chicken Maryland, I have some breadcrumb here, 2 numbers of eggs here, oil for shallow frying, some oregano, salt, pepper powder, and some garlic powder. And here I have some refined flour, and I have 4 pieces of chicken breast. First of all, I want to skin off the chicken breast and debone it, and I want to make it separate into 4 pieces. After that, I want to break the egg and dip it into the spices, egg and everything all together. I want to coat it with the flour. Then I want to finally coat it with the breadcrumb and want to shallow fry with a small tawa. That's the way. First I want to skin off the chicken. Then want to debone the breast. See, this is the way it makes. Now there is a supreme piece here. You want to remove that one. Now this is come like a leaf. This one also exactly same like that. Want to open from the middle. Now both are look like a leaf. Afterwards you want to beat the other side of the knife. Then you want to put some salt, pepper powder, oregano, and some garlic powder. Afterwards you want to coat with flour. Now you want to break 2 eggs. And beat it nicely. Put little salt in it to taste, and little pepper powder. Now this is the chicken which I made. I want to dip it in with the egg. And you want to coat with a breadcrumb. After coating the breadcrumb, supposed to be look like this. Now you want to fry with some shallow fry with some oil in a frying pan. It goes along with corn fritters and banana fritters, then only it will become chicken Maryland. Now you can say it is like a crumb fried chicken. Oil for shallow fry the chicken Maryland. Now I am going to cook the chicken breast. To cook it in a slow fire. After 2-3 minutes, you want to flip this one slowly. Six to 7 minutes I cook both sides. Now the chicken Maryland is ready to go. The final look of chicken Maryland is look like this. Till up to coming with another new episode, Chef Marcus saying bye bye. If you like the recipe and video, please subscribe and share.